You don't wanna fall in love. You don't wanna fall in love. Seen your mama walking out the county market, and I stopped to ask her how she's been. Said she's missing you and tried to go convincing you not to settle down.